Yes. So let us start. Let X be the X units you can start. X units per week of refrigerator and Y unit per week for ACs of ACs be produced by the company. By company. So let us start. What is the weekly production? Can you see somewhere? The weekly production cannot exceed 25 refrigerator and 35 ACs in department 1. And in department 1 it is 25 refrigerator and in department 2 it is 35 ACs. So what will be the condition? Can somebody tell me? What will be condition on X and what will be condition on Y? It cannot. Very nice. Very nice. Y is lesser than equal to 35. Very nice. Good. So these two conditions we are having. What next? Can you see something else? A refrigerator required 2-man week. You see that? How can we relate this? How many total workers are there in two department? Total 60 workers are there. For refrigerator we require 2 and for AC we require 1. So what will be the condition? Perfect. Less than equal to 60. Good. 2x plus y is less than equal to 60. Yeah, so are we done? So what will be the maximization? So shall we start LPP? LPP will be maximize z equal to, this is how we used to write. First thing is objective function. What will be the z? Subject to condition I am having. Can somebody tell me what will be the z? And non-negative condition is x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. What will be the z? Z is your profit. Do you see? For refrigerator 6000, for AC 4000. So it will be 6000 into x, that is number of refrigerator, plus 4000 into y. Do you get that? So this is your LPP. This is what you have to formulate in the question. The formulate this LPP, the question was. So this is your LPP. Do you understand that? You just need to read the question and you can get it very quickly. Okay. So actually, especially I gave this problem because here, if you go for making a table, then you won't able to complete properly. So better is to start with like that only. Read and do it. Earlier two questions were required. We could have solved with the help of table, but this is okay without table. Okay. Now next part of the syllabus is how to solve this LPP. Now the question was to solve the LPP. Earlier we did formulation. So now we are done with formulation. Now we want to solve it. Yes. Oh, actually, I think I forgot. I will upload it after the lecture maybe. Is that okay? I forgot to upload it. I'll upload that. Solutions of that. Answers. You just verify. Yeah. Now the next thing to solve LPP. LPP linear programming problem. Okay. The method is graphical method. So the name of the method, you can say, in your syllabus it is graphical method. There are so many methods to do that. So let me just write the steps. Step number 1, draw the graph of the inequalities. Inequality restriction. Hmm. So the first step is draw the graph for the inequality restriction. The second one is indicate the area of visible region. Visible region or solution, you can say, whatever you feel correct. And the third step is determine the coordinates of all points at the corner. That is to find the corner points, extreme points of visible region. And the last is find the value of objective function at corner point. Okay, then you can get the maximum value. So let us do one example, then it will be quite clear how to do. The first thing is to draw the let me just write a question. The question is maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3x 3y. Okay, subject to the conditions are 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15, 5x plus 2y less than equal to 10, and the non-negative conditions are x is positive, y is positive. Correct? Okay. So the what is the first step? To draw this thing, these inequalities. X is positive, y is positive. That means your graph will be in first quadrant. Do you agree? So you don't have to draw all the coordinate. You just have to draw the first quadrant. Correct? Is that okay? Yes. Okay. Now to draw this inequality, you just start writing the equation, that is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Give me 2 points. Here also 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. I'm just writing, I'm just forgetting about inequality. I'm just putting equal to, then let us see. Give me 2 points for this. I need 2 points. If you put x equal to 0, then what will be your y? 3. Perfect. If you put y equal to 0, then what will be x? Y, no? So you are having 2 points. To draw a straight line, we require 2 points only, correct? So let me plot this. That is 5 0 will be somewhere here. 3 0 will be somewhere here. Your graph will be, should mark it. Graph will be like this. Okay. So this is the first line. What about this one? When you put x equal to 0, what will be your y? When you put y equal to 0, what will be your x? If you put x equal to 0, y will be 5. If you put y equal to 0, x will be 2. So it will be 2 comma 0 somewhere here, 2 will be there, and 5 here. Correct? So yeah. Is that clear? Now what is the next thing? You need to see whether it is origin side or non-origin side. How can you check that? whether this one is origin side or not. Put the coordinates of origin in the equation, in the inequality. Check whether it is satisfying or not. If you put 0, 0, so 0, 0 is less than equal to 15. Is that true? Yeah, so that means it is origin side. So it is telling me go there. Correct? And what about next one? What about this guy? 0, 0. Again, if you put 0, 0, see, this is the equation. Huh? If you put 0, 0, you don't have to see. This is the straight line we just drawn to find the straight line. We don't require that. Do you see the inequality? Put 0, 0 in the equation. What do you see? 0 is less than equal to 10. Is that true? Yeah, so that means that is also origin side. So I'll write here origin side, and this is also origin side. Perfect. So this guy is also telling me go there. So what will be the common region? And x is positive, y is positive. That means I have to draw only in the first quadrant. So do you see the common region is this one? And this is called feasible region. Perfect. Now what is the step 2? We are done with step 1. What was this point? This was I think 3. Hmm. You can write if you want 2 comma 0, and you can write this as 0 comma 3. What is step 2? After drawing the graph, yeah, so that is we have already done, correct? What is step 3 then? Determine the coordinates of all. Perfect. So what are the corner points? Do you see? One is this corner point, one is this point, and one is this, and one is this. Do you see? 3 points we already aware with. 0, 0, 0, 3, 2, 0. What is remain now? To find this one, correct? Yes. How can you find that? Any idea? How can we do that? How can we find this point? Yeah. See. Perfect, perfect, very nice. This point is the intersection of two lines. So if we solve these two lines, that is simultaneous equation, then we will get that intersection point. Very nice, correct? So that's how you can get the point. So what you can do, you can name the points. That is O, A, B, C. Correct? So to find B, let us write to find point B, since B is intersection of 2 points, sorry, two lines. What are they? What are the two lines? That is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15, and 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. How will you solve that? You have to make any variable same. That is, here it is 3x, here it is 5x, here it is 5y, here it is 2y. What should you do? Okay, perfect. Will it work? Do you agree, everyone? If you multiply equation 1 by 5, what do you see? What will I get? That is 15x plus 25y is equal to 75. Perfect. And what about the second one? Again 15x plus 6y is equal to 30. Is that correct? What do you have to do now? You are having two terms same, so you have to subtract them. So if you subtract, the sign will change. Here it is addition. This will be here it is addition. This will be negation. Here it will be addition. This will be. Is that okay? So now this is positive. This is negative. So cancelled. 25 minus 6, 19. Yeah, 19. And what about this 75 minus 30? 45, no? So what is point y? Y is 45 upon 19. How can you find point x? Yes, you are having y coordinate. You want to find the x coordinate also. So how can you do that? You need to substitute it either in one or two. जो भी तुमको अच्छा लगे, you can substitute it in one of them. Correct? Let us substitute in equation 1. Substitute y in equation 1. What is equation 1? That is 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So 3x equal to 15 minus 5y. So what is 3x is equal to 15 minus 5 into 45 upon 19. Correct? You solve it and tell me the value of x fast. 19. You can take something common out from here. I think 3. If you take 3 common, then 3 will get cancelled from both the side. Hmm. Take 3 common from here. Take 3 common from here also. That will be easy. Yeah. That is 3x is equal to 3. 5 minus what will be here? 5 into 3 ones are 3. 18 na? Upon 19. You can take 5 common also. So it's better to take 5 also. Tell me final answer. Oh, I think it is 45 na? I wrote it as 54. It is 45 upon 90. Sorry. It is 45 upon 90 na? Still you can take 3 common. 5 also. Hmm. So I think it will be 19, 15. Seems it is 20. Just check whether you are getting 20 by 19. Anyone? Perfect. So we are having point B as 20 by 19, comma 45 upon 19. Perfect. So now we are having all the corner points, correct? That is step 3 is done. O, A, B, C. Do you see? Determine the corner points of all. Determine all the corner points. What is the next thing? Find the value of objective function at the corner point. Correct. Very nice. So uh, let me put O, A, B, and C. Correct. And what is the objective function? What is my O? What is A? What is B? And what is C? Here you can write here as corner points. And here it is objective function, that is z is equal to क्या है वो क्या था in the question it is 5x plus 3y था शायद. Okay, so z will be 5x plus 3y. Let us try to subtract. ओ क्या है 0,0, ए क्या है, व्हाट इज पॉइंट ए, 20, 20 ना, एंड दिस इज बी, सी है 0,3 शायद, एंड बी हम लोग ने फाइंड आउट किया, करेक्ट, 20/19 एंड 45/19. हाँ, and remember one thing in the question, they are asking about, किधर गया, they are asking about maximize, perfect. So जितने भी corner point है, put the values and get the value of z. 0 0 put किया तो क्या पे है, या क्या आएगा, z equal to 0 आएगा. If you put 2 0 then it will be 5 2 is 10 and here 0, so z will be 10 here, correct. And what about this, substitute and solve, and I'll just write this also, 9, you put it, so take 19 outside, it will be 5 to the 100, 100 plus 45 3 are 90 plus 55, yeah, and 100 it will be, I think, 235 maybe. You just confirm that whether it is 235 upon 19. Just confirm, are you getting the same? Okay, so now can you tell me which of them is maximum of these four? Which of, since in the question it was asking for maximum. Option B, point B. So this is maximum, that is, what is my solution? Solution is x equal to 20/19 and y is equal to 45/19, and the maximum value is 235/19. Do you agree? This is how you have to solve any question. Let me just quickly revise this. See, we started with first thing is to draw the feasible region. The step 2 is indicate the corner points. Step 3 is find all the corner points, correct? So feasible region किया, corner points निकाल लिया. Next you have to just substitute in the objective function and check question में क्या है, whether it is asking for maximization or minimization. If it is asking for maximization, take the maximum. जो भी maximum आया वही मेरा solution है, and that's it. Is that okay? Shall we do one more problem? One from minimization. Minimize z equal to 4x plus 2y subject to x plus 2y greater than 2 and 3x plus y greater than 3 and 4x plus 3y greater than 6 greater than equal to 6, and the non-negative conditions are x is positive, y is positive. See, these two people tells us that your graph will be in first quadrant, so you don't have to draw all the four quadrants, you will have to just draw the first quadrant. So shall we start? I'll give some time. You start solving. Try to find the points first. We are having three equations, that is x plus 2y greater than equal to 2. So you should write like this, corresponding equation, it will be x plus 2y is equal to 2. So try to find the points. एक को जीरो पुट करने का, दूसरा निकालने का, एक को और जीरो पुट करने का, दूसरा निकालने का, एंड चेक वेदर ओरिजिन साइड और नॉन ओरिजिन साइड सेम थिंग फॉर other two lines, that is 3x plus y greater than equal to 3. Corresponding equation will be 3x plus y is equal to 3. Try to find the points and check whether origin side or non origin side. And what about the third one? Same, that is 4x plus 3y greater than equal to 6. Try to find corresponding points, that is 4x plus 3y is equal to 6 points, and whether origin side or not. Okay, if you put x equal to 0, what is the value of y? In this equation, if you put x equal to 0, it is 1 now. If you put y equal to 0, then it is 2. So you have both the points. And now to check whether it is origin side or not, what you have to do? You have to put in the equation, in the inequality. That is, it is 0, 0. So it is telling me 0 is greater than equal to 2. Whether this is true or false. 0 is greater than equal to 2. False. That means it is non-origin side. Do you agree? What about this one? Let us find. If you put x is 0, then y will be 3. If you put y is 0, then x will be 1. Do you agree? And put x 0, 0 here. It will be 0 greater than equal to 3. Then it is again non-origin side. Correct? Is that okay? What about this one? If you put x is equal to 0, then what are you having? 2, no? Yes. If you put y equal to 0, then it will be 6 by 4. That means 3 by 2. Correct? And again put 0, 0. 0 is greater than equal to 6. That is false. So it is also non-origin side. Correct? Now let us plot quickly. Then we have to find corner points. Let us first plot. What is the first line? You can name, that is, this is line 1, line 2, line 3. So what is line 1? That is 0, 1 and 2, 0. 0, 1 will be somewhere here and 2, 0 will be somewhere here. You just have to mark it. मैं नहीं mark करता हूँ यहाँ पे because it is quite clear to me, but it should be clear to you also. Then only you can see. So we are done with first one. That is, this is line 1. I'll write here line 1. Okay. Now this guy is telling me go away from origin. Perfect. And what is the next one? 0, 3 and 1, 0. 0, 3 will be on y-axis. Somewhere 2 will be here. 3. So 0, 3. And what is the next point? Yes, 1, 0. So it will be here. So line will be something. Yeah, something like that. You may draw with the scale properly. Yes. So this is line 2. And what do you know about this? This is also telling me to go there. That is non-origin side. Perfect. What about next one? That is 0, 2. 0, 2. That means on y-axis this is 2. So this point, and on x-axis it is 3 by 2. That means 1.5. No? So it will be here. 3 by 2. So something, graph will be something like this. Correct? And this is also telling me to go there. So what will be the feasible region? Can somebody tell me? Perfect, outer side. This will be the feasible region. And what are the corner points here? Can one tell me here? What are the corner points? And how many points we are? Yeah, one. Should I start naming them? E, B, C, D, something like that. Yeah. Okay. So let me put this guy as E and this guy as B. This is A, this is B, and what else? This is C, and what next? This is D. Anything else? No. We are aware with point E and point D, correct? What is point E? 2 comma 0, and what is point D? It is 0 comma 3, no? Correct. Now let us solve here. To find point B, here we will find to find point Let us quickly do that. What is point B? Point B is, can you see the, it is intersection of line 1 and this is line 3 now. I'll write it. Okay. So can you find that quickly? It is in point B is intersection of line 1 and line 3. What is line 1? X plus 2y equal to 2. X plus 2y equal to 2. And line 3, 4x plus 3y is greater than 6. 4x plus 3y is equal to 6, correct? You just need to solve. What should you do? You multiply this equation by 4 and then subtract it. And to find point C is intersection of line 2 and line 3. So what is line 3? Line 3 is 4x plus 3y is equal to 6, and what is line 2? It is 3x plus y. 3x plus y is equal to 3. Tell me the intersection point by solving them. I gave it to you. I'll give 2 minutes. Just quickly give me the points. Value of x and value of y. The x value will be x coordinate and it will be y coordinate. Tell me fast. Will be only by 4. 6 by 5, 2 by 5. Anybody else with this solution? Okay, good. Find point C now. What will you do? You multiply 3 on this, then y will get cancelled, correct? 9 minus 4, again it will be 5, so I think it will be 3 by 5. So if you substitute, then 3 by 5, then 6 by 5. Just check whether you are getting this. This is 6, huh? Are you getting the same solution? Oh, line 3. हाँ 1.5 आएगा. So I just put ये 1 है तो 1 से थोड़ा सा दूर रखा मैंने, something like that. I have drawn roughly, yeah. Yeah, मैंने मतलब कोई कैलकुलेट करके नहीं किया. आई एम जस्ट, क्योंकि आई डोंट रिक्वायर दैट एक्चुअली. मुझे इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट से मतलब है, तो वो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता ये कहाँ पे है. बट ऑन द ग्राफ पेपर यू हैव टू डू दैट properly. Check whether this is correct or not. 3 by 5, so it will be 9 by 5 plus 6. 9 plus 6, yeah, 15 by, yeah, it's correct. It is satisfying the equation. Okay, what is the next step? You are having all the points now, E, B, C, D. So this is my point B, this is my point C, correct? What is the next step? To put it in the objective function. So draw a table, that is one here corner point, and here it is objective function. What is your objective function? Z equal to 4x plus 2y, correct? So what are the points we are having? E, B, C, D, na? Yes. Point E, B, C, D. Tell me the coordinates of E. It is 2 comma 0. And for B, what is for B? We have just found out. That is 6 by 5 and 2 by 5. And what is for C? 3 by 5 and 6 by 5. For D, we have already wherewith that is 0 to 3. Put it in the equation. Now look at the question. Maximization चाहिए कि minimization चाहिए? You want minimization. Put it and check किसमें minimum value आता है. If you put it here, तो इधर क्या आएगा? Z equal to 8. If you put here Z equal to 6. Now you have to tell me the value of this and this. It will be I think 28. 28 by 5. Just confirm. 24. This is giving the minimum. Check whether you are getting the same. The solutions are x is equal to 3 by 5, y is equal to 6 by 5, and minimum value is 24 by 5. Are you getting the same?